We constantly trying to improve the quality of our lives by staying healthy and fit. The difficulty comes to find the answer about how to do it. As the word impossible says, I am possible. So here is a list of certain activities or rather habits which one should follow in their routine life. Number 1. Exercise. No hardcore exercises are required. You just need to set a routine by waking up early. Start with the exercise you like and you are comfortable with. Start with a warm-up session by stretching your body, continued by walk or jog. Running, sit-ups, dancing or cycling can be done. The aim should be to enjoy your activity, not to take it as an assignment to do. Keep the time duration for at least half an hour daily, and you will definitely feel light all day around. Number 2. Healthy and rich breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. So, it should be rich in ingredients. Soaked almonds, green tea, fresh fruit juice, oats, fresh fruits like apple, avocado, pomegranate, etc. Healthy breakfast is a must these days. Absence of breakfast meal can lead to gastric issues and other health problems too. Number 3. Drink lots of water. In general, man should have a total body water percentage between 50 to 65%, while the ideal range of women is between 45 to 60%. Trying detox water helps you to have a hydrated body, which sucks out the bad fats from your body. Nowadays, different apps are also available that keep a track of the amount of water intake through the day. Number 4. Meditation. Meditation relaxes your body and mind. Peace is one thing which is very important in everyone's life. Peace of mind can also be attained through meditation. Yoga also helps to ensure balance in one's mind and body. Meditation in morning and before going to bed will give you a peaceful start and end to your day. Number 5. Small meals and less of junk food. One should always take a small portion of meals in a day, rather than taking 1 or 2 big meals. Eating rich fiber food and avoiding of junk food and soft drinks will be a wise decision to make. Number 6. An activity. Having an activity in your daily routine helps your mind to have a calm and balanced life. Taking out of any activity of your choice includes positive energy into your daily life. Reading a book, having dance sessions, joining short-term courses, etc. Number 7. Sound sleep of 8 hours. Sound sleep is a necessity of everyone's life. Keeping aside all your worries, tensions, stress level, a sound sleep is required at the end of the day. As per the medical science, a minimum sleep of 8 hours is required to have a balanced lifestyle. Those 8 hours of your sleep rebuild your energy level for the next day. Late night sleeps always results in a stress, headache, nausea, irritated attitude. Number 8. Good attitude towards life. Everyone should always have a good attitude with a clean intent towards life. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Bye for now. See you next time.